Hello ladies and gentlemen, guys, before we start, I'm going to leave a link to my other reaction channel. Please go follow me there. Ladies and gentlemen, today we got A Flock of Seagulls. So, the song name is I Ran Since So Far Away. This is going to be my first time here to see what this is. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this. Out of space? Oh, sounds good, sounds good. I like it. Sounds good. Guys, I feel like I'm in a different place, right now. Just, listening to so many, different songs from it could be 70s, 80s. This gives me an 80s vibe. Sounds good. Sounds really clean. I like it. Sounds really clean. It's catchy though. It's something that you know these kind of songs that you hear once, and even if you don't dig them, but you still remember them, and if it plays, you start to sing it. It seems like one of these songs too. And hey, I'm not saying anything bad. It's just what it is. But my God, this it's real something. I'm adding this to my collection. Guys, let's go. I love that. That wow 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 wow. I could have sworn I've heard this this wow 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 this thing in like early 2000 music. I could be wrong though, but I just felt like I've heard that, like them using something like this. But that was a pretty amazing song, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta say, this is in my collection, no questions asked. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed this too. This is really something, guys. Really something. Like I said again, it gives me 80s vibes, which, you know, it's perfectly fine. And I love the 80s. Yeah, and I was right. 1982. Yeah, 1982. Very early. My goodness. Well, guys, hey, seems that we should probably take a look at some lives. Who knows? Who knows? It sounds interesting. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you guys for all the support you guys have been showing me on all my channels. You guys have been amazing. And yeah, if you want, of course, want to see the other channels, it's below in the description. But yeah, this song is really something. It made me during the song, I said it made me feel like I was on a mission, like you know, I'm running towards something, you know, doing something. Like it just felt that way to me. But yeah, pretty amazing. But guys, let me know what you think about this one in the comments section below. Let me know maybe if you check out some other songs of, guys, I can't remember the name, A Flock of Seagulls. I have to tune back every time to see the name. But very interesting, very interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much again. Give me a nice like on this. Comment down below and subscribe to this channel for more content. And I'll see you guys later. Take care.